Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Amex Gold Card. First, understand its benefits and annual fee. You will generally need a good to excellent credit score, typically 670 or higher. Also, ensure you meet the minimum income requirements. Finally, you must be a United States resident and at least 18 years old to apply. Next, visit the official American Express website to begin your application. You will need to provide accurate personal details, including your full name, address, and date of birth. Then, enter your financial information, such as your annual income and employment status. Always review all submitted information carefully before clicking the final Submit button. After submitting, American Express will review your application and credit history. You might receive an instant decision, or it could take up to 10 business days. Once approved, your new Amex Gold Card will arrive by mail within 7 to 10 business days. Remember to activate your card online or by phone to begin enjoying all its fantastic benefits. Finally, maximize your Amex Gold Card benefits. Earn 4 membership rewards points per dollar on dining and at United States supermarkets, up to $25,000 annually. Receive up to $10 in monthly dining credits and up to $10 in monthly Uber cash credits. Plus, enjoy travel perks like no foreign transaction fees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.